everyone, it's Vivian Resnick, your 1% listing realtor in Tampa Bay, Florida. Today I'm excited to welcome you to 6627 Ryestone Way in Wesley Chapel. This two-story corner lot home is in the Westgate community and offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and over 2,000 heated square feet of living space. Downstairs, you're going to find a bedroom and a full bath, perfect for guests, along with a spacious living room, dining room, and a bright open kitchen. Upstairs, there are 3 more bedrooms, including the primary suite, plus a versatile loft that's ideal for a home office, game room, or movie lounge. Now, Westgate residents enjoy resort-style amenities, a community pool, dog park, playground, clubhouse, and so much more. All within walking distance of top-rated schools and just minutes from shopping, dining, and the highway. 6627 Ryestone Way is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Now, let's go take a tour. Remember, if you'd like to save thousands when selling your home and have your home featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. You can find me at listforlessflorida.com or vivianresnick.com. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.